Everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Bluetooth speaker from the company Miatone, M-I-A-T-O-N-E. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to give you a quick look at the box. Hopefully you can see that okay. And then I will open it up, give you a look at everything. Maybe I'll charge it up and let you hear what the sound quality sounds like. Just a couple of specs. It is a IP66 waterproof Bluetooth speaker, 10 hours of battery life when it's fully charged, 16 watt, and then TWS, which I'm not sure what that is. True wireless stereo. So let's go ahead and open it and take a look at it. Have questions? It is a Let Us Help You card. Has their contact information. Little instruction pamphlet. Shouldn't be too complicated. This is not my first Bluetooth speaker. I've actually got a couple. Just wanted this one for around the pool. That way if it falls into the pool, it's not a big deal. Audio jacks. And then a standard Android USB charging cable. And then here's a look at the speaker itself. Hopefully you'll be able to see this okay. Let me see if it happens to be powered on straight out of the box. Let's see. What would be the power button? Maybe the bottom one?
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
This gives you an idea of what it sounds like. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to have to stop my camera. I'm going to connect it to my phone and then we'll play some music out of it. All right, so it literally took about 5 seconds to pair. As soon as I went to my phone, I was able to find the Bluetooth device. It's listed as Boombox under your Bluetooth devices, which is kind of nice. Sometimes they'll have a weird serial number or something like that that's hard to identify. This will come up as Boombox. A couple of things. You've got a power button down here. You've got your volume up, volume down, repeat Bluetooth button. And then they'll do different things like move to the next track or move back, so on and so forth. I've got the device off. Let's go ahead and turn it on just so you can get a feel of what it's like after you've got it connected.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Device paired.
So it found my device right away. I'm going to go ahead and put some music on just so you can get an idea of the volume quality. Again, you can go volume down. The nice thing about this is the lowest volume is really low. So if you're wanting to put it next to a nightstand, you would be able to use it. Sometimes the lowest volume on these things is still pretty loud. That's not the case with this one. So that's pretty low, and then it gets really loud. You cannot press and hold down the power button. That's the one thing I would have changed. So if you want to increase the volume, you have to press it.
To Alabama.
Sorry about the music selection. Hopefully you like classic country out there like I do. Anyway, pretty cool device, especially if you're near the water, you've got a boat, you've got a pool, something like that. It's a neat Bluetooth speaker. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.